If taste had a passport, Thailand would be the capital of flavor. Welcome to the ultimate street food playground, where smoky grills, sizzling pans, and bold flavors rule the night. From the mouth-watering to the mind-blowing, here are 8 Thai street foods we absolutely loved. Let's jump in. Number 1 on our list is a surprisingly popular refreshment found all over Thailand's markets and street stalls: shaken Coke with lime and salt. This fizzy drink is transformed by adding fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt, then shaken hard to mix it all up and poured over ice. The result? A tangy, salty, and sweet fizzy drink that perfectly balances Thailand's tropical heat. It's like a street-side mocktail that refreshes you instantly and keeps you coming back for more. Next, the banana roti, a beloved sweet treat throughout Thailand, especially popular at night markets and beaches. It's a crispy, pan-fried thin dough pancake wrapped around warm, soft bananas. Often, vendors drizzle it with sweetened condensed milk and sometimes chocolate or Nutella, making it a rich, sweet dessert. This dish is a perfect example of Thailand's love for mixing simple ingredients into irresistible street desserts. Number 3 is the dazzling candied strawberries, inspired by the Chinese Tanghulu tradition but wildly popular in Thai night markets today. These fresh strawberries are dipped in hot sugar syrup that hardens into a shiny, crunchy shell. It's a sweet snack with a satisfying crunch, loved by locals and tourists alike for its refreshing, fruity taste combined with a candy-like texture. Number 4 is for the adventurous eaters: fried insects. Don't let the idea scare you. Insects like crickets, silkworm pupae, and bamboo worms are crispy, savory, and packed with protein. They're usually fried and seasoned with chili powder, salt, and garlic, making them a spicy, crunchy snack enjoyed by many locals. Though unusual for some, fried insects are a traditional, sustainable snack and a genuine part of Thai street food culture. Seafood lovers, this one's for you. The pick-your-own seafood barbecue experience is wildly popular in coastal areas and big cities alike. You choose from fresh prawns, squid, clams, and more. Then grill them yourself over hot coals or watch vendors do the magic. Served with spicy, tangy Thai seafood dipping sauce, it's a perfectly balanced dish of smoky, savory flavors with a spicy kick. This is one of Thailand's signature street food experiences for its freshness, flavor, and interactive vibe. Number 6 is the fried cheese sandwich, a popular snack among kids and young people, found in markets and school stalls. 2 slices of soft white bread filled with melted cheese, deep fried until golden and crispy. This treat is all about gooey, melty cheese wrapped in a crunchy crust, a total comfort food classic that's both indulgent and satisfying. Number 7. Grilled seafood skewers are a staple street food snack across Thailand. Skewered prawns, squid, scallops, and more are grilled over charcoal, often basted with garlic butter or chili sauce. The result is a smoky, flavorful, slightly spicy bite-sized feast that's easy to eat on the go. Loved for its simplicity and deliciousness, these skewers are perfect for sharing. Last but definitely not least, khao na pepet, roast duck over rice. This Thai Chinese comfort food favorite features tender, juicy roasted duck slices with crispy skin, served over fragrant steamed rice. It's topped with a sweet savory gravy, complemented by pickled ginger and a light duck broth soup on the side. This dish is a hearty, savory meal beloved by locals and often enjoyed as lunch or dinner. Before we wrap up, a few honorable mentions that deserve a shout-out. Fresh coconuts. Cracked open for you on the spot, sweet and hydrating tropical goodness. Sugarcane juice. Freshly pressed, naturally sweet, and super refreshing on hot days. Rice dishes. Thailand's staple with endless variety, from sweet mango sticky rice desserts to savory fried rice packed with herbs and spices. These everyday staples keep Thai street food vibrant and unforgettable. Thailand's street food isn't just about eating. It's about experiencing culture, tradition, and community with every bite. Whether you're craving sweet, spicy, crispy, or refreshing, there's something here for every palate. Which of these would you try first? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mouth-watering food adventures. Until next time, stay hungry, stay curious.